Company cars, they're everywhere. Delivery trucks, vans with logos, even that sleek sedan your boss drives. If a business owns it and uses it for work, it's a company vehicle. Simple as that. Now, you might drive one for your job. Maybe you make deliveries, visit clients, or travel between offices. No matter the reason, if you're behind the wheel of a company car, you need to understand the rules of the road. And trust me, they're different when it's not your name on the registration. Accidents happen. It's a fact of life. But when you're driving a company vehicle for work, things get complicated. Let's say you're making a delivery and another car runs a red light, T-boning your company van. You're injured, the van is totaled, and the packages are scattered all over the intersection. Who's responsible? First, your health. If you're hurt on the job, that's a workers' compensation case. Medical bills, lost wages, it's all covered. But here's where it gets tricky. The other driver's insurance. Let's say the other driver was at fault. They run that red light, smash into you, the whole 9 yards. You'd think their insurance foots the bill, right? Well, it's not always that simple. See, when a company car is involved, there's more money on the line. Companies usually have higher insurance limits. More coverage means more money for the injured party, which in this case is you. Their insurance knows this, and they'll fight tooth and nail to pay out as little as possible. Here's where things get really interesting. What if you weren't actually working when the accident happened? Let's say you were using the company van to run a personal errand on your lunch break. Suddenly, that fender bender becomes a whole different ballgame. See, if you're not on company time, their insurance might try to deny the claim. They could argue you weren't authorized to be driving the vehicle and therefore, they're not liable. That's why it's crucial to understand your company's policy on personal use of company vehicles. Don't think for a minute that companies don't try to avoid responsibility. They have lawyers for a reason. They'll examine every detail, from whether the vehicle was properly maintained to if you were properly trained to drive it. And believe me, they'll use anything they find to their advantage. If you're in an accident with a company vehicle, here's what you need to remember. First, get help if you need it. Call 911, get checked out by a doctor, the whole 9 yards. Your health is priority number one. Second, don't sign anything from the insurance company without talking to a lawyer. They're looking out for their bottom line, not yours. A good lawyer will fight for your rights and make sure you get the compensation you deserve. Remember, the aftermath of an accident is a confusing and stressful time. Don't try to go it alone. Get informed, get help, and get what you deserve. And that's the truth.